Let's see how we can make an alpha out of a mesh in ZBrush. Let's jump into ZBrush and check it out. In ZBrush, I will go to Lightbox and then load a project. After loading the project, I will import my mesh through Z plugin, FBX import and import. I have stored the mesh in a folder which I want to use. I will use this FBX. Yes. So this is my mesh which I want to convert into an alpha. I will change this perspective to an orthographic view, and then I will use the zoom to zoom in the canvas and fit it to the viewport, and then I will use the alt right click and control right click to zoom in and match to the frame. Once I have this, for me now to grab the alpha, I will just go to alpha and then click on grab dock, and then this will grab an alpha for me. Whatever is in the viewport can be grabbed as an alpha. We can use multiple meshes, not just this one mesh. Any mesh of your choice you can use it. Any alpha which you want to use or export, you can save it in a library. So what I will do is, this alpha I want to export and then save this in my project file or in my ZBrush. I'll go to alpha and then I have a custom folder. I will save this here as Celtic Knot and then save, and then this alpha will be saved. I can load this alpha from Lightbox, alpha, and then I have saved it in the custom folder, and then this is my Celtic Knot. I can double click and load this. Okay. I want to use this on a project. So what I will do is go to Lightbox and then I can use any project. I will use this Dynamosphere, and then here I will change my brush to a clay builder and then change the stroke type to drag rect and then change my alpha to Celtic Knot and then use drag. Since the resolution of our mesh is low, we are getting this problem. If you want to add more resolution, go to geometry and then I will divide this mesh a few times, and then you can see we have the alpha created and can be used on any brush. Normally we use alpha with the focal shift -100. Gives us a clean and crisp result on the corners.
For more such content, like and follow our page. For online and offline courses, contact ZNADO Multimedia Degree College on the number provided below. If you need more details, you can visit our website znadostudios.com.